The English we speak.
From BBC Learning English.
Hello and welcome to the English we speak. I'm Feifei.
And I'm Rob. Hello.
Hey Rob, how is your application to run in the marathon going?
Not great. I fill in a form and then I'm told to fill in another one.
Have you tried phoning someone?
Yes, and they won't give me a straight answer. They just keep giving me the runaround.
Well, that makes sense. If you're going to run in a marathon, you've got to run around.
No, Feifei. Giving someone the runaround does not involve any exercise. If you give someone the runaround, it means you behave in an unhelpful way, possibly sending someone from one place to another to get help. If you are given the runaround, it can be very frustrating.
I'm sure it is. I know lots of situations where I've been given the runaround.
Well, there's one place where you won't be given the runaround. It's here, with some helpful examples of this phrase.
When I called the bank to ask for a loan, they just gave me the runaround.
She went to the hospital to get the results of her test, but she just got the runaround. Now she's going to make a formal complaint.
When I complained about the bill, I was told to speak to the boss, but he wasn't there. I think I'm just being given the runaround.
This is the English we speak from BBC Learning English, and we're finding out about the phrase to give someone the runaround, which means to deliberately behave in an unhelpful way. And Rob, you've been given the runaround.
I have. All I want to do is get a place in the marathon, but nobody seems to want to help me.
Could it be that you're so unfit they just don't want to give you a place?
I don't think so. I've been training for weeks.
Well, I managed to get a place straight away with no runaround.
What? You're running the marathon too? Why didn't you tell me? Right, I'm going to phone them again and demand a place.
And don't be given the runaround this time, Rob.
I won't. See you at the start line.
Bye.
The English we speak.
From the BBC.
Hi, thank you for watching that video. We really hope that you enjoyed it. If you liked it, please hit the like button below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.